Hello everyone, here is Skyguard Creator and we have this animation ad. Today we are going to learn how to make this inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's go. So we have here our sample design. We have here just main text. Here second text and a button, it's a shape and a small text just above it, and the main animation will be for our shoes. So it's arranged from left to right. Okay, as you can see here, okay, visible and invisible. So go to timeline, window, timeline, and choose the first. Choose here. This is the first shoe. Okay. Open this arrow. Let's talk a little bit about the duration. The duration here is 5 seconds. Okay, and that seems like a Photoshop, but just record your last animation duration. So when you open the timeline, just open as a 5 second. So okay, we have here this first layer. Go to opacity, add a keyframe, bring the opacity down to 0, go to forward for 6 frames, just have here 6, and okay, and go to opacity and make it 100. So it creates another keyframe here. Now disappear here and appears here. This is the 6 keyframes. So I needed to just hold appear for 1 second. So double click here, go to 1 second, just type 1. Okay, add a keyframe here, go to forward for 6 keyframe. You can just click and drag this indicator, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and add a keyframe and make it 0 in opacity. So go to the beginning and the blade. Okay, now we need to just copy and paste this animation for the rest of our shoes here, but there is no option to do it as one, so we go and make it individually. It's just so right click and copy these keyframes, go to the second layer, this one, open this arrow here, add a keyframe, click and paste. So I will make all of these layers the same way. This is the last one. Click and paste. So we have this animation, but we need to make this animation individually, one by one. So we go to forward for 3 keyframes. So just double click, go to 3. Okay, and this is a second layer. Click and drag and go to this forward for 3 keyframes and here the third layer, just click and drag, go forward for 3 keyframes, click and drag forward, click and drag, and this is the last one. So we have this animation, all appears and all disappear individually. So this is the last keyframe. This is the point we end here this animation. Just click and like this indicators. So we need to shorten it one by one. Or you can just click, Control and click, select. This is my way to shorten this layer. So cut or okay, and just click and select. All this duplicated layer, we don't need it, so we will delete it. Just click delete from your keyboard and here our animation. So go to the beginning, just click play, and that's it. And this is you can this ad, it's a very short ad. It's about 2 seconds and a half here. Okay, so we need to just duplicate this. So duplicate this animation for about 10 seconds or so. So hold Control Alt A from your keyboard to select all layers. Right click, convert to smart object. Okay, go to last keyframe and Control J. Go to last keyframe and Control J. It says 3 times. I need it to be 4 times. So we have here the animation. It's about 10 seconds. So go to the beginning, click play to see it. So it's okay. Almost finished. So we need to export this animation as video file. So click this little button here and choose the render video, and choose a name, select the folder, and make sure it's high quality, and this is the document size 1080 by 1350, and here's the format. Make sure it's H.264. it's MP4 file. Choose Adobe Media Encoder. Okay, and click render. So I'm going to just go to the folder here, and this is our video file. Yes. So this is the end of our video tutorial, and thank you for watching.